Well, I was in my 20s at that time, doubting if I would go back to study or find a job. And at a certain moment I had an idea like, well, I can join it all together. I can work and also learn something. And that was one of the reasons why I applied for this job, to do a technical job, on the same time learn from all the information that I received and all the training that I got. I started on the hardware team. Well, the computer was just out. You had the consumers on the phone with all the silly mistakes they made. So it was a lot of teaching. So that was a real great challenge. After doing the hardware projects, I moved to the software team, give support for different software applications and also for consumer products. I provided support as well for different video editing applications that were consumer products on one hand, and then we moved to the professional products. Then we got customers like the BBC, CNN, that kind of companies. That was really great to do. After being a product specialist for quite a long time, I moved to quality assurance, helping agents out with handling customers. We do first the basic listening and reading of emails, listening to phone calls, checking chats, and we look at ways where we can improve on. And I try to guide them and give them tips and tricks how to get a better result. How to handle customers, how to handle difficult customers. So we basically give a quality score to every agent, looking on the one hand how we want to see it as a company, so how do they handle the customer, and on the other hand what the client wants to see. It can be something very specific in how clients want us to handle customers. We score them on that, and we make weekly and monthly reports. So we look at key elements where to improve on our customer handling. When we have new employees starting in this company, they start in what we call the introduction week. We start with an introduction of the company, our company values, discuss where we can help in settling in Netherlands, for example, so very practical things. And we start really with the basics, like what is communication? How you can apply that in your job? How do you handle customers on the phone? How do you handle customers on email? Everything comes by. When the whole theoretical part is handled, we move, of course, to practices, and we set up a live environment, but also a safe environment where they're still allowed to make mistakes, and we can guide them to be a proper agent when they start on the phone. Next to our team in Netherlands, we also have a team in Romania, which means that I often have to travel to Romania to train people there, and of course we do also quality assurance there. So that's actually a quite opportunity for me as well to fly often to Romania, meet the people there, the different culture. My manager always say that HECC is built on love, and I think I am the live example for that because I met my wife in this company. She's from Colombia, and we are currently married for 7 months. Happily married, I have to say. It's really nice actually to have an international company and have a mix of people from all over the world. I would certainly invite friends to come to work for HECC. We have a great environment. It's very nice to meet new people. You have a lot of opportunities in this company to grow as well. I started as an agent, became product specialist, then I moved to quality assurance, and now I'm trainer. So HECC gave me all those possibilities to grow in this company, which really let me grow as a person.